Senator Rizzo Hontiveros raised concern over the identity of Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo during a Senate hearing investigating Philippine offshore gaming operators, or POGOs, suggesting that Guo might be a Chinese citizen. The hearing revealed inconsistencies in Guo's background, fueling doubts over her links to fraudulent cryptocurrency scams and human trafficking. Henry Nicolas tells us more.
Rizzo Hontiveros questioned the real identity of Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo following the alleged involvement of her name to the Philippine offshore gaming operators, or POGOs, in Baofu compound in her town. In a Senate hearing led by Hontiveros and Senator Win Gatchalian, Hontiveros said that they are joined in the revelations that led to more questions, including the allegations that Mayor Alice Guo is actually a Chinese citizen. At the hearing, Guo said she did not have school records because she was homeschooled from elementary to high school and did not go to college. Her birth was only registered when she was 17 years old.
Nananganak pa ng mas maraming tanong. Una na dyan, totoo kaya na Chinese talaga si Mayor Alice Guo? Importante yang itanong dahil si Mayor Alice na walang record dito sa bansa ang siyang naging instrumento para makapasok ang napakalaking kumpanya ng POGO sa Pilipinas.
Hontiveros said it was evident that Guo lied when she was confronted over the information gathered by the Senate panel. Guo, however, denied her links to Hongsheng Gaming Technology Incorporated, which operative said is involved in the series of fraudulent cryptocurrency investment scams, alleged human trafficking, and serious illegal detention.
Certificate of live birth. Dito naman, Filipino ang nakalagay na nationality ng tatay niya. Pero sa dokumento ng embroidery business, Chinese ang nationality na nakarecord. Meron din tayong kanyang registration ng live birth, pero delayed registration.
If turns out that the allegations against the mayor are true, based on the revelations that came out in the Senate hearing, this is alarming and great insult to the integrity of the institution issuing identifications documents, Hontiveros added.
Maaari rin nating mas tuklasin pa sa mga susunod na hearing. Si Mayor Alice ba at ang mga tulad niyang may mga mahiwagang nakaraan ay mga asset na pinapasok ng China sa ating gobyerno para magkaroon sila ng mabigat na impluwensya sa politika sa Pilipinas? Marami ng ibang kasong ganyan sa ibang bansa, kaya hindi na ito bago at dapat nating imbestigahan.
Hontiveros said the panel will be waiting for Guo to submit a copy of her Statement of Assets and Liabilities and Net Worth, or SALN, and Statement of Contributions and Expenditures, or SOSE. Nevertheless, she said she hopes that the mayor would come out clean about her identity, which she and Gatchalian has earlier found dubious. This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.